Hello all my pickup. So today I'm going to give you something that will transform your edits into a masterpiece. So without wasting time, let's drive and preview.
An idea that you genuinely think is good. Don't let some idiot talk you out of it.
First, open Alight Motion and add your video in 16:9 ratio. Then add the effect called tiles. Now go into the effect and turn on mirror. Now, adjust the size of the video like me. Now export it, then open Tracket app. I am using the old APK because it works fabulous and doesn't require premium. And if you install the mod APK, then this issue occurs. You can get the old AP from my Telegram channel. Okay, now add your video and click on Stabilizer. Now adjust the crosser size and put it on the face. Then wait and let the magic happen.
Yeah.
Then adjust into the ratio you want. Now export it. And also, this is an insider tip, increase the FPS of your video. It will make it like butter. Okay, that's it for today, bye.